It is my dream. One of my dream is to see your face among these faces. Hey everybody, welcome to Biotecnika. Today we are getting started on a new initiative for all of you. Do you notice anything similar in these faces? Please tell me in the comment section. What do you find common among all of this? They all are Nobel Prize winners or top scientists, right? Top scientists. If not Nobel Prize winners, at least top scientists in biology, right? They all are. But do you find any face among all of this? Do you find any face from your country? The answer will be no. Why? Because these people had what we didn't have. Right? While our country was fighting against the oppression of Britishers or whomsoever was, right? These guys were innovating. That's how they became top scientists, right? And remember, innovation is the key to any nation's progress, and that's how United States of America, Europe, UK is so progressive. And while we are still considered as a developing nation, the reason is nobody is supporting the youth of our country, which is all of you. Now, this is biology, top scientists in biology. Now, I am going to show you some more faces, okay? Now, please look at these faces. Now, tell me what is common among all of this. Again, they are all top thinkers, philosophers, scientists from India. Okay, these are Indians, but they are all Nobel Prize winners, right? From Rabindranath Tagore, Mother Teresa, to our very own, the most recent one, right? So these are all Nobel Prize winners, right? But do you see anybody from life science, bioscience in this photo? The answer is yes, you do. And that is Hargobind Khorana, right? So, Sir Hargobind Khorana is a Nobel Prize winner, but he also was not in India. He didn't do his research in India. He had to go abroad to do it, right? My question is, why our children are not winning Nobel Prize, or why they are not doing all that great work, correct? Another question is, why can't they win Nobel Prize while still doing research in India? The problem is, we don't have a mentorship system. We don't have a system where we help, guide, support, nurture our young talent, which is all of you. Now, at Biotecnika, we completely understand this, right? And that is why. Because, of course, we can see that there's only one person among all the Nobel Prize winners from India, there's only one person who is from the life science industry, right? Which is Dr. Hargobind Khorana, right? So, how can we have more Hargobind Khoranas in our country who don't have to go out to pursue science? They could do it here, right here, and they could disrupt the world of science, right? You must have heard of DeepSeek disrupting ChatGPT, right? How did they do it? ChatGPT, OpenAI spent billions of dollars. These guys had no billions, they had just millions. They could do it because they had support system, right? So if in our country we have a support system for our biology students, biology youth, all of you, then your face can be among all of these, and this is my dream. So to make my dream come true, and in the remembrance of our very own and only life science Nobel Prize winner from India, Dr. Hargobind Khorana, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are proud to announce that we are going to do something amazing for all of you. But before that, let me ask you a question. What is stopping you today? What is stopping you today? Doubt, dilemma. Can I do this? That is not allowing you to win over your dreams. You can see that. Doubts versus dreams. What will you choose? Let me know in the comment section. Will you choose dreams or will you choose doubts? Doubts are excuses. Excuses can only justify failure. But if we have the courage to see dreams, we can win. See, 18 years ago, I saw this dream of Biotecnika. Today, you all are getting benefited, right? Today, I'm asking you to see the dream. 18 years from today, you will be a Nobel Prize winner. You will be the top-notch scientist. But when, how, where, all of that, I'm about to tell you in this video, okay? Now, your potential actually is limitless. The problem is, you don't know it. Nobody believes in you. Relatives are already pulling leg because you didn't get a placement. Colleges are not doing their duty. And there is lack of investment in the life science sector. So you are not getting jobs quickly, right? So what is happening is, on one hand, you're depressed or frustrated. On the other hand, your seniors are giving you wrong feedback. On the other hand, nobody is there to handhold. But that will change today. How, you ask? Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm proud to announce that Biotecnika is going to launch the Khorana Research Scholarship Program to empower the future of biotech innovation in our country. Biotecnika is proudly associated with various startups today, and today we are doing multiple research in top-notch diseases, and we want you to be a part of this research, but with a scholarship. Now, there is a confusion about scholarship that you'll get a stipend, right? Money. Generally, we all think that scholarship means somebody will pay you, right? But let me show you an example. When someone pays you, you don't get skills, right? So how Hargobind Khorana became Khorana? He had the skills. He was not a very rich person, right? But he revolutionized genetics by decoding the genetic code, ATGC. And we now aim to inspire the next generation of biotech innovators using his legacy. Each time you will write on your CV that you were a recipient of a Hargobind Khorana Research Scholarship Program at Biotecnika, you'll remember that you have to live up to that expectation. And of course, our training, our skill set enhancement, which will help you. But like I said, Hargobind Khorana was not very rich. Hargobind Khorana was from a poor farmer family. All he was is, some people say he got lucky. But I say he was courageous. At that point in time, in 1930s, when nobody thought of, he pursued science, he went ahead, went abroad, studied, did the research, won the Nobel Prize. But that time our country was struggling, right? But today is our country struggling? No, we are slated to become a $5 trillion economy. And people like us are there to support you. So that is why Khorana Scholarship Research Program, Khorana Research Program we are launching today. And you can apply. Now, why exactly a scholarship matters, that we have to understand. Generally, a scholarship is thought about money, right? But it is also about education and training. We are going to facilitate your education and training to make you industry ready, research ready, on cutting edge, top notch work, which we are doing will expose you to that. Now, under this, we understand that you will have financial constraint. That is why all these academic programs, all these research programs will come to you at a fraction of the cost if you are eligible. And of course, we have 100% scholarships also available. Now, Khorana's Research Scholarship ensures accessibility to cutting-edge biotech education and innovation right from your home. And of course, if you are in Bengaluru, you can avail it offline also by doing the research right here in Biotecnika. How can all of this happen? Because Biotecnika is going to fund only 16 Khorana Research Program scholars. Okay? You can be among them. If you apply, I'm going to share the link shortly. Now, here is what happens with most of us. We think that scholarship is all about money. But here is this guy, if you can see on the screen. He won the 5 crore on Kaun Banega Crorepati, which is who can become a millionaire. In Hindi, we call it Sushil Kumar, right? He won 5 crores. Right, what happened to that 5 crore? You can see in the news. If you just go and Google out Sushil Kumar, Kaun Banega Crorepati, winner went bankrupt, you will know his story. But he lost his money, he became an alcoholic, everything. But today, he is a teacher. What is sustaining him? Skills. He has a skill to teach, that's how he's surviving today. Otherwise, money will get spent. But the skills which you will learn in Khorana Scholarship Program will help you. That is why in Khorana Research Scholarship Program, stipend is not there, but everything else is there. But if you complete the Khorana Research Scholarship Program, you will get placement in Biotecnika itself at a salary, not stipend. We will not take you as intern, as a permanent employee, or we will place you in any other company also, right? So that guarantee definitely is there. Now, like I said, money is not the solution. What is the solution? Skills. And our mission is to empower the biotech graduates, postgraduates, and post-PhDs and postdocs so that they are industry ready, research ready, next generation research ready. Right? It's not that current research is wet lab, but the next generation is what? AI, ML, bioinformatics, genomics, all of that. Clinical data management. We are going to involve all of that, right? So what are we going to do? Every month, 2 workshops. That means 12 workshops in Khorana Research Scholarship Program. You'll get every workshop, you'll learn new things. For example, on 8th and 9th of February, we conducted the cancer genomics workshop, right? Next, we are going to conduct the big data biology workshop, the same way. So we are going to invite top-notch scientists, top-notch industry professionals who will speak, and you can get the benefits. So that's the 12 workshops in the next 12 months, which is going to happen under Khorana Research Scholarship Program. Now, apart from that, we are also going to train you on artificial intelligence, machine learning, in biology, as well as bioinformatics. So all of that will happen. Moving forward, we will give you the molecular biology internship plus wet lab training absolutely free of cost under this scholarship. So if you are registered under this scholarship, you will get this also. Now, moving forward, clinical research and clinical data management. Now, what happens here is, see, clinical research, many students think that, okay, I don't want to go into research, I want to get into clinical research or clinical data management. It is a desk job, it is a high paying job. You can get advantage with the clinical research, clinical data management training program also. And all of that is coming to you under this scholarship. Next, there will be monthly mentorship sessions from PhDs and postdocs and scientists and industry professionals, experienced people. HRs will also come and train you, so that kind of mentoring will happen. They'll tell you what kind of jobs are available, how can you take advantage. So all of that under our scholarship program, right? What do you think, guys? Isn't this amazing? This is something which I feel I should have got when I was studying. If I had this, maybe I would have become an even bigger person. But anyways, so yeah, wet lab training is also there. So you can go and do 1 month, 3 months, 6 months wet lab training in our IISc incubated lab under Dr. Deepti Saini. So even that will be provided to all of you. Now moving forward, what we are trying to do is, see, regular training anybody can give you, but we are trying to set up a benchmark which is international, right? So international standard of research is being done at Biotecnika already. We have international collaboration partners. So you will be doing research under our Khorana Research Scholarship Program with our Sweden-based pharmaceutical companies projects. And that is where it will become a gold standard to research education, and you'll be getting a chance to collaborate with experts. In fact, during the interview process itself, you'll realize that this is not a regular scholarship. You will have to, give an interview to get absorbed into this, and then only you can start your project. So after the training, there will be an interview, and then only you can start your project. So this is the kind of level of, expertise we want to get our students into. Now there will be guidance from leading AI/ML and biotech and research experts and industry experts. One-on-one research group will be there where you will get mentoring. It will be through WhatsApp as well as Zoom meetings where I will come along with the panel of experts. You will be able to unmute your mic, ask questions, get your answers clarified. This will help you get better. Plus, there will be other people who will ask questions in those career guidance sessions, and you will get to learn. So that you will learn. So mentorship program will be there. Then, like I said, 12 workshops. So what kind of workshops they will be? So they will be on AI/ML and biology. They will be on next-gen sequencing. This is just a glimpse of it. Many other workshops will happen: cancer genomics, molecular biology techniques, drug development and discovery, clinical data management. So these kind of workshops will be there to train you. Data analysis in biotech research. Now, normally these are not available in any of the curriculums, right? Any college you go, these things are not there. Any industry you go, they are expecting all of this, right? But where should you go? Why worry? Biotecnika is here. We will guide you on all of that. Now, first we'll start with, as soon as you have enrolled into the scholarship, we'll start with AI/ML and bioinformatics theory classes. Now, this is all starting. So you have a data science internship available under this. So this is starting from 4th of March. Okay. On my birthday, the data science classes will start. So you can join that. There will be a foundation module, then there will be advanced modules, and then you will get exposure to projects, right? Practical exposure to projects. Now, what is a project? See, I can tell you that walk on the road this way, but I cannot teach you how to cross the road, right? That's something which you have to learn, right? So theory is different, practical is different. That is where project comes into picture. When you do a project, you are learning to walk, you will fall, you will get up, and then you will learn, and then the expert will tell you, see, you fell because of this reason, now next time don't fall. So you're learning, right? Practical exposure with industry standards. That's one thing. Then application in drug discovery, omics, computational biology, all of this. Now many people think that you just need molecular biology skill or wet lab skill. No. When you have this skill, then you become highly employable. You can get a job, whether it is California or Chennai, you can get a job because you have these skills. So that is where Khorana Research Scholarship Program helps you. Then, like I said, molecular biology internship program. This will be somewhere around June or July again. So you'll get hands-on wet lab training. Okay, all the details will be provided to you. You will be trained on techniques in PCR, CRISPR, DNA sequencing, cloning, and many other things under our training program in our ISC incubated lab, right? Then coming to clinical research, like I said, clinical research is about to explode, right? Why can't you learn it, right? So you can learn through Biotecnika, one-stop solution to all your career requirements. And then CDM. Why CDM? Because it's a highly paying job. There's no course available. But if you'll take the training from Biotecnika, our placement team will be able to place you in a high-paying job in any clinical research company such as Equivia, right? So you can get a job there. So that's where clinical research, so we'll teach you on regulatory compliances. We will teach you on the industry standards, which is there. Then we will also show you the career pathways. We will have mentoring sessions with industry CEOs and mentors, and they will teach you how to work in a clinical research organization and get high-paying jobs. So all of that will happen. Then, of course, my favorite, CSI Net and GATE coaching. For all those who are preparing for CSI Net and GATE coaching, you will get 1 year free coaching under this scholarship program. So you are learning all of that, plus you're also learning CSI Net and GATE. So you will get the preparation, and all of this will be free under the Khorana Research Scholarship Program. KSRP is going to be a game changer for you if you enroll, okay? Now here comes some statistics for you. Last year when we had the scholarship, Watson Scholarship, we had received 78,000 applications. 78,000 applications, we selected only 16, right? This year I'm expecting more than that, maybe 1 lakh plus people will apply. So people who apply early will get a fair chance, better chance. So go ahead, you have to apply. I'm going to share the link shortly. Now, what we intend to achieve with this 360-degree training, 100% placement assistance. Our team will be there, which will be placing. You can see the videos of the placement on YouTube channel of Biotecnika. And then we will give you global exposure to career support, right? You will be also able to publish your paper and build a reputation in the market. We will help you in publishing the paper, right? And then we will give you recommendation letter, work experience letter, CV optimization tips, and we will conduct mock interview sessions to make you job ready. All of that. It seems like too good to be true, but the effort which we are putting is enormous, and that is why only 16 students will get this chance, okay? Now here comes the icebreaker or the deal breaker, I should say heartbreaker. Not everybody is getting 100% scholarship. Based on your application, based on your cover letter, based on your statement of purpose, you might get 100%, you might get a 80%, you might get a 50%, or you might get a 25% scholarship based on how you apply. So based on your cover letters, your statement of purpose, we will select, and then we might conduct an interview, we might not conduct an interview. Depends on how you write your statement of purpose. So there can be a video interview with me, or there can be a video interview with my team, or there can be a telephonic interview with my team. So all of that will happen, and then you will be getting a chance to get into this scholarship. So the application process is very simple. So as you can see here, you have to fill the application form. I'm going to share the link shortly. And then, of course, you can check the comment section after this video. Now, submit the statement of purpose and relevant documents. And followed by that, of course, you are going to get a call from us if you're shortlisted for the interview. And then you have to give the interview, you will receive the scholarship, and your program will start from 4th of March, right? So today we launched the scholarship, and within 4th of March, we are closing it. Very short window because we don't want to keep you waiting, right? So go ahead, Now, coming to why join the Khorana Research Scholarship Program. It's very simple. Gain the industry-ready skills, which is now relevant in 2025. What you learned was for the previous generations. What you learn today will be for the future generation. Future of research begins with Khorana Research Scholarship. You will be mentored by global experts. When I say global experts, they are truly global. They are the people who were Indians, who went abroad, and are well placed as a scientist in various labs in Pfizer, in Illumina, Moderna, all these big companies, and they will come to mentor you, right? And you will keep getting those notifications on your Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel of Biotecnika. And then, of course, you will get the strong research portfolio which with hands-on experience on everything, whether it is AI, ML, bioinformatics, genomics, wet lab, molecular biology, CRISPR, everything covered under our Khorana Research Scholarship Program. So now the time to give you the link. It is very simple. The link is btnk.org/Khorana. Remember, the Khorana spelling is Khorana. Okay, so this is the link which you have to click. It is given in the description, or you can just type it. Go ahead and apply today. Remember, if you apply early, your chances of getting a scholarship is higher. If you apply late, you might get rejected, because once we have got the best 16 students, we are going to close. The last date to apply is 28 February. The results will be declared on 4th of March when this program begins. So all you have to do now is, from today till 28th, you have time, but apply early so that you can get a chance to get selected faster. You have to also have a statement of purpose this time and a forwarding letter which you can attach in the form, and make sure that you're doing it right so that you get selected faster. So with this, I would like to wish you all the best. Remember, money is just a motivator, but skills is the one which will make you a winner forever. Your choice. What do you want to choose? Skills or not? 2025 is going to be a game changer year for you and all of us. But only if we learn cutting edge skills, which the industry demands. Academia doesn't have it, but you have it. That's how you stand out of the crowd and win the game. All the best. Keep shining. Take care. Bye-bye.